Welcome to a video going over quick data analysis. So quickly, you have two data sheets, sugar, and you have acid and base. Each of those is a different experiment that's going to be put into your two data tables on page 2 in your yeast lab number 3. Average, standard deviation, and range, you should be able to easily get from the first 3 rows right here on your two data sheets after you delete data. Standard deviation min and max should be easy to get also from your two data sets. And again, that's just going to be 0.589 to 4.18 when you're thinking about putting that in right here. And then the t-test I would get at the bottom of your spreadsheets here comparing your different averages. Now, there is one thing that you want to make sure that you do to make sure that this figure updates. I'm going to do it right now. You'll notice here there's a second row of average, and here there's a second row of average. All you need to do is this to make sure that your spreadsheet is formatted properly. You're going to go to the lactose average, press equals, and you're going to press this number right here, press enter. Click that now, click and drag. That way it's always matching. You're going to go here, press equals, click the average up here, and then again, click and drag with this blue little dot over. That way they're always the same. Now in terms of deleting data, you're going to be deleting data based off of whether or not the slope is too high. There's a data point missing here. I'm not sure why that is. Preferably this is a data point that was really bad. Another reason why you're going to delete the data is the Ramsey over slope is really high. Again, this is a standardized measurement of error to slope. So 17 divided by 0.59 is 30. So a RISME of 17 compared to a really small slope is pretty bad. So you can delete data for that reason. You might delete data because the water temperature at the beginning is much higher or lower than 25, or the CO2 reading is significantly above or below the 300 to 400 range. After you delete all of that data, your average, your standard deviation, your range can be easily copy and pasted again into these two data tables, and then you can also paste the t-tests into those groups. In terms of these two figures, this is going to be where you go and paste your finished figures right here, which is showing the average, the max, and the min of our standard deviations. Good way to visualize overlap. And to do that, you're just going to go here, press insert, press chart from sheets. You should pick the copy of your spreadsheet. And then once you're in here, you should be able to see the one that you want and press insert or import. And I would link to spreadsheet in case there are changes. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions. Tomorrow and Monday and Tuesday are break days for this, so you have plenty of time to start writing your responses, incorporating other people's evidence. Let me know if I can help. See you soon.